This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need the app or set-top box and a stable connection. Once that's confirmed, sign in with your Airtel ID. Open the Xstream app and pick the show or movie you want. Once the player loads, make sure playback begins. This reveals the player controls. If you're on a TV, use the remote and press OK or up to display controls. These initial steps unlock the subtitle options you'll change next, so don't skip validating account and connectivity. Once the player controls are visible, tap the CC or subtitles icon to open options. You do this because subtitles are toggled per stream. Choose your preferred language. If you pick auto, Xstream will match the audio language when available. Make sure to confirm selection so the track loads. If subtitles don't appear immediately, pause and resume or change to another language, then back. This forces the player to reload subtitle files, and usually after selecting subtitles, play for a minute and verify timing and readability. If lines are off, toggle subtitle tracks or seek a few seconds. If nothing shows, close and reopen the app or reboot your set-top box, since cached data often blocks subtitle loading. Make sure the Xstream app is updated. Outdated builds can drop features. As a key troubleshooting tip, clear the app cache and try a lower bitrate stream. This reduces buffering that can prevent subtitle files from syncing correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.